Live photos on iPhone are always fun. They capture a bit of movement before and after you press the shutter, which makes your memories come alive. But they've also got some clever features you can do, such as turning a normal photograph into a long exposure image. So here I'm at a waterfall in Dartmoor, and it's a really beautiful scene, but I want to capture the movement of that water. So in the top right hand corner of the camera, I'm going to make sure live photos are enabled. That's the little circular icon. And then, holding my phone really still, I'll take a photo just as normal. I'm going to jump into the Photos app by tapping that thumbnail. The movement of the water in that picture at the moment looks like a normal static photograph, but there's a feature we can enable to make this picture look really special. And then on the top of the picture, I'm going to tap onto the live options. From here, I'm simply going to choose long exposure, and you can see how the water has been transformed by that effect. Look at the waterfall itself and the pool at the bottom. It looks glassy smooth, and that's because of the long exposure feature.